Okay, welcome back to the channel. So, if you watched a couple of the short videos, you see that what you're looking at right now is the finished foundation work. Before, there was nothing but a bunch of 6x6s being held up by 2x8s that were kind of banged into the dirt there. So I hired a foundation company to come in to put these lolly posts in and pour foundation footings for it. What I'm going to be doing today is, because it's too difficult for me to move the camera around and talk while I'm doing this, so I'll, overdub this. I guess that's what you call it. I'm going to be installing some work lights down there, and there's 10 LED work lights, and I think there's about 4 feet between each light. So I'm going to be drilling up into the post, putting these eyelets in it, and then there's carabiners that are hooked onto these lights that I'm going to clip on so I can have some permanent lights down in this basement. It's over to the left. You can't see it, but those were the two Craftsman halogen lights that I fixed that were sitting down here in the dark for probably 20 years. And I cleaned them all up. I bought some new halogen bulbs for it. But these lights, you'll see, if you see me the way they're up there right now, I'm going to be drilling up into it. I still have to come down when I'm all done and get some brackets or some strapping to keep the wires off the ground. They did a pretty good job. I mean, I really don't know anything about foundation work, so I'm assuming, what they did was correct. I do, and if you look just to the left of my head right now, you'll see one of the beams that they encased. They took the main beams and they encased it on 3 sides with 2x8s. And then they tied the bottom 2x8 into the main beam, and then they put the lally columns underneath those main beams. So I'm going to be going all the way to the back of the foundation. This part of the house right here is the part that was built in 1850. And if you look to the right over there, you can see the granite slabs the beams kind of sit on. So yeah, I think there's probably 4 or 5 feet between each one of these lights. And I'm going to speed this up. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'll do it kind of quick so you can see, what's going on with it. Okay, so right now I'm going to be taking out the 600 watt halogen Craftsman lights. So now that's just the work lights that are in there. Those are LED lights. I forget what the wattage is of them, but a lot of those wires have to go. They're cable wires, they're phone wires that I no longer have in the house anymore. So I'm going to have to go back down, when I secure all the wires up against the beams, I've got to buy some things to secure them up there. I'll cut all those wires out. But I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully it was worth the $25,000 that this job cost. They were here about a week and a half to do everything. I'm hoping it passes the building inspector, but whatever the building inspector says, they're going to have to come back and correct it. I do have a couple more jobs coming up. I have a job that's starting tomorrow, actually. They're going to be working on the main living room. There's a crack in the ceiling that was caused by this foundation not being right. They're going to fix that tomorrow. They're going to paint the ceiling, and they're going to replace a piece of drywall that when we took a skylight out of the roof when we had the roof done about 10 years ago. They're going to fix all that, and they're going to blend all the mudding in with this current ceiling, and then going to paint 2 coats of paint. And then I'll have one more job after that, and I'll show you what that job's going to be in a later video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.